PR is evolving, constantly. It's more than just official announcements. It's about creating genuine conversations. It's about making lasting connections. Your words are the vital bridge. They need to be strong, resilient. They absolutely need to persuade. This is your modern PR mission. The world is noisy, so incredibly noisy. Everyone seems to be shouting online. How do you possibly stand out? How does your important message cut through? Persuasive writing is your secret weapon. It makes people pause and truly listen. It helps your unique ideas stick. It transforms casual indifference into active interest. So, what are the goals of persuasive PR? It aims to build unbreakable, genuine trust. It has the power to shift perspectives. It inspires audiences to take meaningful action. It's far beyond just sharing company news. It's about generating tangible impact. It's about making a positive difference. That's the incredible power you now hold. How can you master this skill? How do you write PR content that truly works? This video will be your friendly, practical guide. We'll explore simple, effective tips and easy-to-implement tricks and techniques for crafting writing that effectively persuades, for developing writing that deeply connects. Let's make every single one of your words count. Let's define persuasive PR writing. It's communication with a clear purpose. It's always carefully planned, strategic. It aims to influence audience thinking, or to encourage specific behaviors. It's smart, it's focused, it knows exactly where it's going, and it knows how to get there. Now, persuasion isn't manipulation, not at all. It's not about tricking anyone, or being sneaky. True persuasion is built on honesty. It thrives on authentic connection. It seeks mutual benefit for everyone. Your audience gains value. You achieve goals. Integrity is absolutely essential here. Trust is the foundation of all good PR. Every word you write can persuade. From a major press release to a short social media update, even an internal company memo, opportunities for persuasion are everywhere. Each piece of content is a chance to connect, to influence, a chance to build stronger relationships. Think of yourself as a helpful guide, like a good friend giving sound advice. Your writing should feel like that. Helpful, clear, considerate, empathetic. Understand the audience's point of view. Offer them something genuinely useful. That's the real heart of persuasive writing. It's about being a trusted, valued resource. Who are you actually talking to? Do you really truly know them? Not just their demographics, age, location, but their psychographics, their inner world. What do they believe? What do they value? You need to understand them deeply. This is the first rule, always. Audience understanding is paramount. What are their biggest challenges? What truly keeps them up at night? What victories make them cheer loudly? What problems can your organization solve for them? Put yourself directly in their shoes, feel their pain points, share their joys. Empathy is your PR superpower. It unlocks the door to their attention. Use the words they use every day. Avoid confusing industry jargon. Steer clear. Resist the urge for corporate speak. It creates distance. It builds walls. Instead, talk like they talk. Naturally. Be clear. Be simple. Be direct. This makes your message accessible. It makes it feel more personal. What motivates your specific audience? Is it the desire for security or achievement? Perhaps it's a need for community, adventure, or maybe they value innovation or tradition. Identify their core motivators carefully, then frame your persuasive message accordingly. Show them how you align with what they care about. This makes your message instantly relevant. How do you structure a persuasive message? The AIDA model is a classic and effective. It stands for attention, interest, desire, action. Think of it as a simple roadmap, a clear path for your reader's journey, from initial awareness to final decision. It guides them step by step. It makes your persuasion logical, smooth. First, grab their attention. Quickly. You have mere seconds. Make them count. Use a surprising statistic perhaps, or ask a thought-provoking question. A bold statement can work wonders. Your goal, make them stop scrolling. Make them look up. Make them curious. This is your crucial opening gambit. Next, build their interest. Sustain it. Then cultivate their desire. Make it strong. Show them clearly. What's in it for me? Focus on the benefits, not just features. Paint a vivid picture of the positive outcome. Use empathy. Connect with their feelings. Help them imagine a better future. A future your product or idea provides. Message framing is another powerful tool. You can highlight what they stand to gain. Achieve X, Y, and Z with our solution. Or you can emphasize what they might lose. Avoid these common pitfalls by acting now. Gain framing often inspires aspiration. Loss framing can create urgency. Choose the frame that best fits your audience and your message. Flat writing is a PR nightmare, truly. It's dull, it's completely uninspiring. Worst of all, it gets ignored, lost. Your important message deserves better. The good news, we can fix it. We can inject life into tired prose. We can make your words shine. Let's banish boring writing forever. Consider this typically flat sentence. Our company has officially announced the release of a new software product today. Does it excite you? Probably not. Does it make you want to learn more? Unlikely. It's purely informational, facts only. It lacks energy. It lacks appeal. It doesn't speak to any reader need. It just sits there, passively. Now let's try to improve it. Tired of complex spreadsheets? Frustrated with wasted time? Imagine managing your projects effortlessly. Our new software name makes that dream a reality. Finally, a simpler way to work smarter. Can you feel the distinct difference? It grabs attention. It hints at desire. It focuses on the user's problem and solution. It's instantly more engaging, more human. How do you achieve this transformation? Focus on using strong, active verbs. Choose vivid, descriptive language. Words that paint pictures. Show the benefits. Don't just tell the features. Make your writing compelling. Make it move. Tap into emotions. Make it relatable. Every sentence is an opportunity to connect and persuade. Your call to action, or CTA, is critical. It's the, "so what should I do next" part. Don't leave your audience hanging. A message without a CTA is like a story without an ending, a journey with no destination. Guide them clearly to the next step. Make your CTA crystal clear and urgent, but not pushy. Use strong action verbs. Discover more. Get started. Join now. Connect your CTA to their needs and desires. Make it feel like the logical next step. Keep it simple. One click, a short form, a quick reply. The easier it is to respond, the better. Your CTA is the gateway to engagement. Make it wide open and inviting. Your tone of voice matters immensely. Are you aiming to be serious, authoritative, or perhaps playful, friendly, comforting? Your tone should match your message. It must align with your brand's personality. And crucially, it must resonate with your audience. Inconsistency here can confuse people. Or worse, it can erode their trust. Active voice is almost always your best friend. It makes your writing more direct, more dynamic. We launched the new initiative. This is much stronger, more confident than. The new initiative was launched by us. Passive voice can sound bureaucratic, distant. Active voice has energy, it has punch, it makes your message clearer, more impactful. Embrace short sentences and shorter paragraphs. They are easier to read quickly. They are much easier to understand, especially on small screens, or when busy. This creates a friendly, conversational feel. Use direct address, words like you and your. This makes your writing personal, engaging. It feels like you're talking right to them. What about emojis? Or a bit of slang? Sometimes yes, they can add personality. They can make your brand feel more human. But only if it genuinely fits, if it aligns with your audience's expectations, and if it matches your established brand voice. Authenticity is the absolute key here. Don't ever force a style that feels unnatural. Let's do a quick rewrite. Here's a flat corporate sentence. The primary objective of this program is the provision of comprehensive support mechanisms for nascent entrepreneurial ventures. It's cold, complex, and uninviting. It doesn't spark excitement or make anyone want to learn more. Who is this for? Entrepreneurs, what do they want? Success, growth, support. Try this. Ready to build your dream business? We're here to help you succeed. Every step. Great PR sparks emotion and inspires action. That's the magic of PR. Go write words that move the world.